Here's an update on these social media harm cases. You may remember earlier this year, the first big trial with these cases happened in California. A woman brought a claim against Meta, which is Facebook and Instagram, and YouTube, claiming that these platforms caused her harm and she used these platforms as a child. The jury came back and awarded a $6 million verdict in that case. And that was an individual who brought the case on her behalf. What's happened next? The next case happened in New Mexico. And that was a claim by the state, not an individual. And these claims alleged that Meta violated the state's Unfair Practices Act. Now, that was brought before a jury in New Mexico, and the jury found that Meta failed to protect children from sexual exploitation and that Meta also misled users as to the safety of its platform. So the jury found that they violated this Unfair Practices Act. And the jury issued, for that, a $375 million verdict in favor of the state of New Mexico. Now, because that verdict was issued, now there's a second part that's brought before a judge, not a jury. It's a judge trial. And the question for that judge, it's a legal question, is do these platforms constitute a public nuisance? If the judge does find that what Meta has done constitutes a public nuisance, then the state of New Mexico has said they are looking for damages of $3.7 billion with a B. And they're claiming that money would cover their losses that they used, the money that they used to fund mental health services and school resources and law enforcement support that was necessary to cover all the harm that was done by these social media platforms. Now, $3.7 billion, if that happens, that's one state, New Mexico. There are 49 other states that most likely have similar laws. And if this goes down in favor of New Mexico, there's 49 other states that can bring similar claims. And if that's what the damages are, $3.7 billion, then Meta is going to have a big problem going forward. So that's the update, and we'll keep you posted.